These are my solid brass grips, probably one of the nicest, most premium products I sell. One of the most expensive items I sell too, just because brass is, the raw stock is so unbelievably expensive. But these things are just absolutely gorgeous. These are for a buyer going down to Texas, I think. He wanted the checkered ones, and that's what he got. This is just a mock-up gun. These are just spare parts that I had laying around. But it's one of the few items that I didn't have a video yet for, so making a quick demo video. They come with brass screws, and these are the stainless screws. I like stainless screws, but this guy will get brass. Any buyer that buys these will also get brass, and you can choose whichever ones you want to use. Compatible with the normal trigger, this normal single stage trigger. It's just the 2240 trigger, and then also the 2-stage trigger on the Marauder pistol. Why did they do that? Pretty nice. They're also pretty heavy. The listing page has a little joke about turning your pistol into a nutcracker, which is pretty accurate. These things are very heavy, but they're gorgeous.